Really getting the ride-alongs is really what helped us the most, is that knowing that it's going to cost me to have that done, but in the same sense it's paid itself off huge, return on investment, because it's something I just don't have the time to do is the ride-alongs. And when I do a ride-along, the customers know me from being in business for 30 plus years, so they want to talk to me instead of dealing with the technician and things like that. So it gets a fresh face in there, and it's not like they're beating the people up, but they force them to rehearse before they go into the house and do the things that we're supposed to be doing or they're supposed to be doing, and we can get a better return on our calls.